everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the Phoenix models Lufthansa A340-300 in the new livery. Very excited to have this. This is a August release from Phoenix, and I've had it for a while. I'm just with the backlog of all the model unboxings and everything, all the models. I'm just now getting to this, so I do apologize about that. But some of these model boxes, you're gonna start seeing these on Saturdays. I'm gonna be doing kind of a Saturday and Monday schedule for the models, just because I have so many that I gotta get through. I'd like to get through the majority of them before the end of the year, as these are all models from this year. So forgive me, I'm also a little stuffed up, so forgive me if I sound a little weird or a little nasally. Can't help it, but gotta get these model boxes done. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we have the box. I'm very excited to have this. Another Lufthansa to the collection, and they were operating these in and out of LA for a while from Frankfurt. It's kind of unfortunate though, because I wanted to get the 600 in the new livery and the old livery, but I think I got the new livery one, and I was trying to get the old livery one, but for whatever reason I ordered it. It was a Phoenix one, and it just hasn't. I don't know if it was made and they ran out or what it is, but I haven't got it yet. So don't know if I ever will, but I'm hoping eventually I will get one. Anyway, here's the 340-300. Super excited to have this. I don't have a lot of 340-300s in the collection, so definitely excited to have another one. Registration on this model is Delta Alpha India Golf Uniform. Let's get right on into it. Here's the model, looking very, very nice. Very excited to have this. Alright. Alrighty, here we go. Some good packaging right there. Very nice. It's interesting. There's that. Oh, that's a real big gap right there in the wing. Between the wing and the fuselage. That it's not like it's loose or anything. It's glued in there. Really, it's just poorly glued in. But I can't really get it out though. Overall though, the model's intact. It looks really good. So let me just fix the box here. Let's put this back there. Move that out the way. We'll take a look here at the model. Alrighty, here we have it. A beautiful model, very, very nice looking. Very excited to have this in the collection. As I say, it's another Lufthansa that I've added finally, and I've wanted one of these for a while. I've never gone to 330, but they've never flown to, well, not that never, but I don't think I've ever seen them in LA, and I just, don't have a reason to. So I've been trying to get the 340s, the 300s, old and new livery, and then the 600s, old and new, and whatnot. So slowly working towards that. I know with NG coming out with newer models and stuff, eventually in the future, I'm sure we're going to see some throwbacks and some older releases, or older models being released, i.e. some of these re-released, which will be nice. But anyway, so here's the beautiful model. We'll get started here at the front. So we got the little Lufthansa logo right there, little bird. Got the Starlines logo, got the main L1 door. The cockpit windows and everything look good. The gears look good too. You got golf uniform there. Got the little yellow right by the door. Lufthansa titles, but you have A340-300, and this is Castro Raul, I think it says. Rauxel, something like that. Forgive me on my pronunciation, but I think that's close enough. We got the antenna on the top right there. We got one of the domes, the little antennas, right, or I guess maybe Wi-Fi or Satcom, something right there. Got the Lufthansa tiles here. You got the L2 door, again with the little yellow right there, looking very good. There's some great detail around here. Not as much as other manufacturers will put in, but I don't know exactly if the 340 has a whole lot going on right around there. Anyway, then we're moving along. You have the little piece where the beacon would be right there. And then you have the SATCOM or one of the other Wi-Fi antenna boxes right there. You got the two antennas. Got a nice little red antenna at the bottom there. Looking at the wings, as I say, there is this issue with this gap right here on this side, which is kind of bad. This side's not, is better. So that's a little disappointing right there. But again, it's the wings are at least glued in and they're not detached and everything, so can't really fix it, but it's fine. Got the beautiful engines, the hair dryer. These are Rolls Royce, I believe. And they look really, really nice. I love these sort of engines. They're very, very cool. They have the kind of bucket reversers that kind of split, or flower, where they kind of like split open, which is pretty cool. Anyway, the wings look really nice. There's good detail on that. There's no overwing exit markings or overwing exits for this model, for this aircraft, because you have the exit back here, and then you have this one right there. You got the registration, Delta-Alpha India Golf uniform, the German flag, Deutschland, and then the EU flag, the European Union right there. Obviously you got the tail with the blue, the dark blue, and the logo there in white. Do definitely miss the yellow still, but this livery's kind of grown on me. Anyway, we'll spin it around, taking a look at the back now. Let's see, that gap is noticeable, but it's alright. This side, not too bad at all. The only difference is on this side, you got the baggage doors, you got the bulk bin door and the main cargo door, and the cargo door up front here with all the other detail, applicable detail. Also, I don't know how I just noticed this, but this side doesn't have the little yellow things. It's only on the passenger side. Only on this side where, on these two doors, I've noticed the yellow. I never noticed that before. I think that's how it is on all the aircraft. Interesting. Anyway, so here we have it. We'll take a look at the top-down view. Nothing fancy there. And then underneath, we'll take a look at the bottom. The gear looks really nice. That sort of tricycle setup there. You got the two mains and then that center single gear as opposed to the double bogey on the 500 and 600. And the nose gear looking good. Yeah, overall a very nice model looking at head on. All the engines and everything look fine. It's just that one minor issue with the wing there, but not really, can't really fix it, but it's okay. Overall, this is a great model. I'm very happy to have this, and hoping to get a old livery one eventually. Someone will release one. So yeah, with that being said, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you did like it, smash that like button, subscribe for more ball unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, I will see you in the next one, guys. Take care.